Hello, good people. I just want to talk to you about the Hillel Mile. You should have received a flyer that looks something like this, and in it, it lets you know about our second annual Hillel Mile. It's an opportunity for you to run around Hillel next or this coming Sunday. At the race starts at 11, and all the proceeds go to Temple Mishkan Israel, which is located in Selma, Alabama. They take us in every time we go there with our sixth grade, and it's a beautiful temple, but it is in desperate need of restoration as it is over 100 years old. So we're hoping to raise $500 to take care of them. Nice little mitzvah that we're hoping to do here at Hillel. And how you can help out is by signing up for the Hillel Mile. So everybody who wants to take part in walking or running the Hillel Mile, and we'll have timers letting you know how you did. It costs $5. Although if you want to give more, take donations. If you're not able to walk, or your grandma or grandpa is not able to come but wants to help out, we will accept that too. So all week long, we're taking in sponsors for this, people that either are committing to walk or running, or committing just to donate as a mitzvah for this great mitzvah. So anyhow, it's this Sunday, and we're going to have age group medals and certificates, and it should be a lot of fun. We're going to have bagels and water there. But here's what you need to do. Take a look at this form right here that is on the back side of that flyer that was sent home, or you can email me. My email is DPREVOSTI. So that's like David Privasti at hillelschool.org. And go ahead and email me and let me know all of this, or send this in with one of the students. They should have this sign-up sheet, and we're going to start compiling them to see which class gets the most. And I pledge to give a cupcake party to the class that gets the most. So anyhow, just fill out your name, and if you're under 18, who your guardian is, your gender, and your category. Here, it means that you are lower school or preschool. So anybody birth through fourth grade is going to compete in one category, male and female. Anybody who's upper school, fifth to eighth grade, they'll compete in another category, male and female. And then out of schoolers, those are people that are in 9 through 49 years. And it doesn't matter Hillel or anywhere else. We're looking at the upper school, lower school, outer school, and then masters for those people over 50. We'll have medals and certificates for our winners, top three for the medals, and top overall for each grade for the certificates. So please take a look at it, sign up for it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'm actually going to write my name right here so you can see it. It's DPREVOSTI at Hillel, SCHOOL, and it's .org. So you can go ahead and do that, and we'll see how it goes. I hope to see you on Sunday. I know that it will really benefit that temple, just seeing how much that they matter to us. So any questions, don't hesitate. Thank you for your time, and hope you get to go the extra mile with us. Thank you.